This is modern Greek alphabet. Το αλφάβητο. Alpha. No alpha. Alpha. It makes the sound A in a word. For example, fun. Vita. Vita. No beta, no vita. Vita. The sound it makes is V, like very. Third letter is gamma. Gamma. Gargle. G. Gamma. Very soft. No gamma. Gamma. And that's exactly the same sound it makes in a word. G. Delta. Delta. No delta. The. Delta. Bite your tongue and say D. Delta. Like in a word, this. Epsilon. Epsilon. It's a letter E. The sound E. Like in a word, every. Zita. Zita. The sound is Z. Like the word zoo. Ita. Ita is E sound in a word. E, like English. Theta. Theta makes the sound Th in a word. Th. Tongue out and you say Th, like thief. Iota. Iota is another E sound. Iota I, like English. Kappa. Kappa makes the sound K in a word, and it's like the word cool. Lambda. No lambda. Lambda. Remember the delta, soft the. Lambda is the sound L in a word like love. Me. Me sound is M, like in a word mum. Ni. The sound is N, like in a word no. Ni. Xi. This strange letter is Xi, and it makes the sound X in a word, like 6. Omicron. Omicron means small O. The sound is O, similar to word awesome. P. P. The sound is P, and it's like in a word paper. Rho. R. Roll your tongue. R. Rho. And the sound is R in a word. Rho. Capital sigma is like this, and small sigma can be written in two ways. The first one is in the middle or at the beginning of words, and the second one is how we write sigma at the end of the word. Sigma. But the sound is the same. S, like a sun. Tough. Tough. The sound is T, like in a word 10. Epsilon. Epsilon is another E sound. Epsilon, like in a word English. Epsilon E. Phi. Phi. The sound is F, like in a word fun. He. The sound is H, like in a word have. Psi. The letter Psi makes the sound Ps, like in a word chips. Omega, the last letter of the alphabet, is O. It means big O, but the sound is O, like in the little O. O. Awesome. O. So these are the letters of modern Greek alphabet. To alphabito. Practice them, and next time we will learn some simple additions to this alphabet, and then you will be able to read Greek perfectly. How cool is that? Let's remember the letters of the Greek alphabet one more time. Alpha, Vita, Gamma, Delta, Epsilon, Zita, Ita, Theta, Iota, Kappa, Lambda, Mi, Ni, Xi, Omicron, Pi, Rho, Sigma, Ταφ, Ypsilon, Phi, Φ, Psi, Omega. Very nice. Repeat many times. Practice writing. You will read Greek in no time. Γεια σας!